Hey everyone, welcome back to Digital Solutions YouTube channel. Today we are diving into the world of databases to talk about RDBMS, which is Relational Database Management Systems. Whether you are new to databases or just curious about how they work, this video is just for you. Let's get started. What is RDBMS? So, what is actually RDBMS? RDBMS stands for Relational Database Management System. It's a type of database system management system that stores data in structured format using rows and columns organized into tables. The key features of RDBMS is the use of relations or tables to store, which makes it easy to retrieve and manipulate. How does RDBMS work? An RDBMS works by organizing data into tables, each consisting of rows and columns. Each table represents a different entity, like customers, orders, or products. These tables can be linked to each other using keys, which are primary keys and foreign keys, to establish relationships. You use SQL or a structured query language to interact with a RDBMS. SQL allows you to perform various operations like querying data, updating records, deleting entries, and more. Advantages of using an RDBMS. Using an RDBMS has several advantages. Structured data storage. Organized data in tables makes it easier to understand and use. Efficient database management. Quickly retrieve, update, and manage data using SQL. Data integrity and accuracy. Constraints and rules ensure data remains accurate and reliable. Flexibility. Easy handling complex queries and transactions. Support and documentation. Widely used with plenty of resources and community supports. In summary, RDBMS is a powerful tool for managing structured data. It uses tables to store data, SQL to interact with it, and provides features that ensure data integrity, security, and efficiency. Whether you are building a small app or managing enterprises data, understanding RDBMS is essential. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech tutorials and insights. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.